So this is out my back window. X marks the spot, I guess, huh? You can still see it. Just opened up the slider. It's on my Android mobile phone, so it's not real clear or anything, but went from a completely, beautiful blue sky day to this. I mean, I know, I could guess what they're doing. They're trying to block out the sun's rays. Obviously, we still don't need it, but it's killing us. Had breathing problems all week, been sneezing. Keep getting these mysterious, sinus colds. Just sick of it. If I had the money, I would do something about it, but I don't. I would take a stand. I would get flyers out. I would get a fancy zoom-in camera and catch these guys in the act. And make everybody aware, because 95% of people either don't know or don't care at this point. If everything's all good, why are they hiding it? Why can't they let us know what's going on? These aren't contrails.